Hi guys! Welcome to learning number 3. It's about learning ABC, capital letter and small letter. Now, learning. First, big ABC or capital letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and L is okay. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, small letter ABC. A, B, C, D, E. Is E. F, G. Also good. It's okay. H, I, J, K, L, N, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 4. Count to infinity holy. Infinity. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 33, 35, 38, 40, 45, 49, 50, 55, 60, 63, 64, 65, 17, 18, 19, 100, 250, 500, 600, 700, 900, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 80,000, 100,000, 500,000, 800,000, 1 million, 5 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, 1 trillion, 10 billion, a trillion, 100 trillion, 1 quadrillion, 1 quadrillion, 1 Google, 1 Google, 1 centillion, 1 uncentillion, 1 decentillion, 1 decentillion, 1 decentillion, 1 quadrillion, 1 sextillion, 1 septuagintrillion, 1 octoquintillion, 1 millennium, 2 millennium, 1 pixillion, decennium, trillion, trillion, octotonal, giggle, gaggle, comeliness, great, big horse, great big horse, bake, benta, Bigfoot, Bigfoot times 2, infinity, infinity times 2, infinity times infinity, omega, omega times 2, omega times 100, epsilon naught, epsilon naught, murder codeur, epsilon infinity, epsilon infinity times 2, epsilon infinity times infinity, epsilon infinity times epsilon infinity, arrow, arrow times 2, arrow times infinity, extremidate, extremidate times 2, extremidate times infinity, extremidate times extremidate infinity. Mustang commanding the time and commenting the work at the button. Holy infinity, holy infinity times 2, holy infinity times infinity. Last one, holy infinity times extended infinity. This learning is more good. So now thank you for watching TV. So now see now. Okay, bye bye. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe your channel. Bye bye. Bye bye.